Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm up by the Range Rover here that we had some problem with. It's a P38. I have to put in some link to other videos. It locked down, so I couldn't get in and start and do nothing. It just key lockout. So now I'm going to, I found the code. The startup sounds like the pump is trying to work. They say you're supposed to put in the security code. I'm not sure if I have done it too fast. No. 1, 2. First number, and then go backwards. Second. And then forward for the third. And then backwards for the fourth. Then code should be in. It worked. It worked. A lot of different things, but at least I got the key code into the car again, and that is working. Now I can just be happy that I was making a mistake first time I was putting in the code. Maybe I put in one of the numbers too little. Yeah, maybe. At least I get the code in and I was able to start it. So that is a happy days. So then one problem less. I can try to think about other things than this. So at least it's a nice day for out driving, so I'll take out to letting my oldest boy test drive again. So then come back, please come back to my channel, please see more video. I have to start working on some more on the cars, and you know the Range Rover here was started up, the Jaguar behind was started up, my friend started that up one day also. So it's good times. This I should have been done a long time ago. Finally it's done. I'm happy for that. Okay, thank you. Please come back. Please subscribe to the channel. Please put a like on the video. Thank you.